How to take and edit a screenshot in Windows 10. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. This way of taking and editing a screenshot has been around forever. It's fast and easy using simple Windows tools. Hit the print screen key to take your screenshot. The print screen key is typically in the upper right area of the keyboard. Now open Microsoft Paint and paste the image on a blank canvas. I don't want to save the whole image, so I go to View and then Zoom out. The area I do want to save is the purple banner at the top of the image, so I go to Home, Select, and drag a rectangle around the banner. Next, I click on Crop. Now that I just have the banner part of the screenshot, I name it, save it. Easy peasy, I'm done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.